You have a folder full of your company's documents, product specs, marketing plans, support articles. What if you could build a chatbot that has read and understood all of them and can answer any question instantly? Today, I'm going to show you how to build a real, working RAG chatbot without writing a single line of code. To build this, we need a few simple, off-the-shelf tools. First, we need a document loader to get our data. This could be a simple file upload or a tool that connects to Google Drive or Notion. Second, we need a vector database to store our knowledge. There are many easy-to-use, cloud-based options for this. Third, we need an LLM provider like OpenAI. And finally, we need a chatbot builder to create the user interface. Many platforms now combine all of these steps into one seamless, no-code experience. The first step is to feed the system your knowledge. In most no-code RAG platforms, this is as simple as dragging and dropping your files. You can upload PDFs, Word documents, text files, or even connect to a URL to scrape a website. Behind the scenes, the platform automatically handles chunking and embedding and loads everything into a vector database. This is the indexing phase. Once your knowledge is indexed, you configure your chatbot's brain. You connect it to your knowledge base and select which LLM you want to use. This is also where you write the main system prompt for your chatbot. This prompt tells the bot its persona, its goal, and instructs it to only answer questions based on the retrieved context and say, "I don't know," when the answer isn't in the documents. This simple instruction is your best defense against hallucinations. Now you can test your chatbot directly in the interface. Ask it a question you know is in your documents. Then ask a question that is not. Once you're happy with its performance, you can deploy it. Most platforms provide a simple snippet to embed the chatbot on your website or connect it to tools like Slack or Discord. Upload your documents, configure your chatbot's prompt, and deploy it to your users. With modern no-code platforms, building a powerful RAG chatbot has become incredibly accessible. In the next episode, we'll break down exactly how the RAG process works step by step.